Welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Today we're going to do a bit of exploring around New Delhi. It's going to be a 40-degree day though, guys, so I don't know how long I'll last, but I'll try and show you as much as I can before it gets too hot. Go away. You're just wasting your time, my friend. I keep going to say no. No. Well, guys, one of the most famous things in New Delhi is the Red Fort. This was built in 1638. Well, it was started to be built in 1638 by the same Mughal, the Afghani invaders, the same ones that built the Taj Mahal and things. They built this, but knowing my luck, I think you can all guess, it's shut for 2 weeks. Yeah, guys, this is always happening to me, but this is a really impressive structure. Very, very beautiful. We'll head to the next place. And guys, this is the Jama Masjid, or the Jama Mosque. The Red Fort's just there. So this was built the same time. It was sort of part of the fort. Now it's shut for 2 hours. I could wait, but you can see how far I'd have to walk. I really don't like leaving the bike. I've been warned about leaving the bike anywhere. Even at Abhishek's tattoo shop yesterday, the NA Tattoos, they didn't want me leaving it on the road out the front of the shop. They made me pull up on the footpath right at the door of the shop, because even in the middle of the street it could have got stolen. Unfortunately, guys, because this, I don't know if the GoPro's doing it justice, but this is truly an amazing building, especially for 500 years old. And guys, this is the Delhi gate. This would have been the original gate when the Afghan Mughals were here. This wasn't in my itinerary today, but I was just riding past. I thought it was worth having to stop. It's all that same style as the fort. And guys, this is the Jantar Mantar. It was built to celebrate New Delhi, the new city. I was going to go in there, but the security guard won't let me park. He wants me to park out in the street. I really don't trust. So I've had a pretty good look at it, but this is the best look you guys are going to get. And this is a much better view of the Jantar Mantar. Delhi really is an amazing city, and of all the cities I've been to, I was scared of the traffic in Delhi, but it flows really well. People are still quite selfish. You have to watch what people trying to kill you. But in general, the traffic flows are much better than the other cities of India. And again, I was just riding past. This wasn't part of the itinerary, but this is the India War Memorial, celebrating the Indian contribution to all the wars. And how this didn't get on the itinerary, I don't know, guys. But this is the India Gate with the War Memorial in the background. It was established in 1921. Again, it's all to celebrate India's contribution to the wars. A lot of people. This is a really popular spot. Beautiful little park all around it, but amazing memorial, really. Here is the War Memorial and the India Gate. Straight across the road is the National Gallery of Modern Art. Now we're in Humayun's tomb. He was one of the Mughal rulers around here. It was built around 1558 by his wife, but inside is Isa Khan's tomb, and this was built about 20 years before Humayun's. And a very, very impressive building, as you're about to see. And this is his tomb in front of us, and over to this side is the mosque. Incredible, guys. Nothing on the Taj Mahal, but still very, very impressive. This whole enclosure is very impressive, and we're not even at the main tomb yet. It cost me about $10 Australian to get in here, but they had secure parking out the front, so it's one of the places I could leave the bike. And they also looked after my helmet. That cost me about $1 for the bike and the helmet. So. And everyone's been taking photos and video of each other through these little holes. I've got no one to take photos of, so you guys just get a picture of the gate. Really very impressive though, guys. I'm glad I came in here. And it's hot, guys, very, very hot. This is the mosque over here. I'm going to go for a wander, see if we can't find the main tomb. Oh, sorry. And then jump back on the bike, head to the next place. Oh, tourists everywhere here, guys, and I guess I'm one of them myself. But yes, it's hot. You can see I'm wearing my Punjab today because it was the only long sleeve thing I had to protect the tattoo. And it's wet with sweat, and I'm not a real sweater, so it tells you how hot it is. Oh, guys, I'll just set the camera up different and show you this as I walk towards it. Through here is Humayun's tomb. This is the gateway into the tomb. Really quite impressive. Oops, don't want to muck up this lady's photos. No, she's still going. Oh, wow, guys. I thought that last one was impressive, but this really is. And through this gateway is another tomb of Bu Halima. And there's nothing really known of this guy. There's no history about him or anything. They just know that this is the gateway to his tomb. And guys, this is what we're here to see. The World Heritage Site, Humayun's tomb. Amazing, guys. It's not the Taj Mahal, but it just shows, and I said this when we were at the Taj Mahal, that in Afghanistan in the 1500s, Muslim law would have been very, very strict. And these guys came here, they married Hindu girls, they had hundreds of girlfriends, they drank alcohol, they partied pretty hard. So the Indian moguls had a pretty good life, I think. And I could have had a guide, but he wanted just as much money as it cost to get in here. So screw it, I'm not going to bother. And you know what, guys? I'm not even going to go inside this one. It's so impressive from the outside, and it's got the Star of David up there, so that's something I'm going to have to look up. But for now, I'm going to head back to the bike, go to the next spot. And there's a little museum in here explaining all about the tomb, the archaeology behind preserving it. When I first came in here, I was thinking this mud and stuff isn't very good for such a big tourist spot, but behind all these blue fences is more archaeology going on, so in a year or two there'll be even more stuff to see here. Now this one's Safdarjung tomb. This one's a lot older than the other, a lot younger than the others, in the 1700s, 1758 I believe. I'm not going to pay for another ticket to go in, but guys, this is well worth visiting. And I would, but it's just so hot, guys. It's about 42 degrees, full on humidity. And right now I just want to go and find a soda water. But yeah, Safdarjung tomb. Well, I've got no idea what this is, and it's not on the itinerary, but it's pretty impressive all the same. Well guys, I nearly didn't come here. It's so hot, I was just going to go back to the hotel. But I'm very, very glad I did. This is the House Cass Fort, built in the 1300s, guys. Just incredible. Look at this. Unbelievable. It was 300 rupees to get in, so about maybe $5 Australian. Amazing. Bike's parked out the front. Hopefully no one's stealing it, but I don't think so. Parked outside a bar, and the bouncer saw me pull up, so I think it's pretty safe. That's the bar just there, so she's parked just the other side of that wall. Wow guys, this really is a surprise. And guys, this tank is the House Cass. That's what House Cass means, I think, is big tank. This was first excavated in 1296. Unbelievable, guys. And the ruins over here were built, and this was a lot bigger originally. So there was a water supply for the area. Wow, really. Look at these pavilions. Just incredible. And So hot, I'd almost go swimming in there, but it would probably kill me. And this is the mosque, and there's stairs from the mosque lead down to the water. Oh well guys, this really is worth a visit. Bit out of the way, but very much worth a visit. Had to give up, head back to the hotel, but there's a whole other section up here.
Pretend you're 16.
Yeah, exactly.
This is the Ferris Shah's tomb. He built this in the 1350s. He died in 1388. Unbelievable, guys. This really is a surprise. I wasn't expecting this at all. Oh look, it goes for miles, unless that's someone sitting at their hotel balcony. Very, very impressive, guys. But I'm going to say it again. It's very hot. Like really, I've drunk so much soda water today, and it's just sitting in my stomach because it's so hot. Look at this. Well, I was right, it is someone's balcony just next door, looking at all the tourists. Those buildings would be a couple of 100 years old themselves. Unbelievable, guys. And this looks like the end, and I have to admit I'm a bit relieved because it's so hot. I didn't want to miss any of this, but it's so hot. Now I'm just going to head back to the hotel, put on the air conditioning. In Nepal, I bumped into a few guys doing a rap video, and unfortunately I'm not sure if I put them on the video because it was corrupted but there's another rap video being made behind me here. Well guys, today was a surprise. I'm glad I got out of my lazy ass, came and saw all this, but I should have enough footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.